when I came back as the head principal, I wanted to revitalize this area, this lecture hall, and I wanted to make it a part of those that have memorialized those that have worked here and that are no longer with us. And so I came up with Memorial Lecture Hall, and underneath it has We Built This City with the 4 locations where Edinburg High once stood. And so what it does is it kind of like embraces those that had influence on this community, those that had influence on you and I and a lot of people who are listening. And of course, they helped shape and develop this community. And so that's where the Bobcat tradition begins. That's where it ends. So right now we are finishing up with phase 2, which are the larger portraits that we have in the lecture hall. Phase 3 is where we have 8x10s of all the teachers who've taught and are no longer with us, and they retired either as a Bobcat teacher, or of course they had the influence as being a teacher here at Edinburg High School. And of course they themselves are memorialized for, again, helping shape this community. Well, we wanted to choose people who have a large impact. In fact, every teacher has an impact. But of course, these are the ones who people remember. People like Betty Harwell, Mr. McNillan, Miss Prestia, Mr. Josephson, Mrs. Glorianne Bettis. These are just a few names. Coach Vela, Richard Flores, Miss Prescott, and so forth. These are people who we all had in class. These are people who remember the memories, who helped shape who we are and help build this community. And of course, they help build this city.